Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up a job ad on Facebook so that you can find yourself a carpet cleaning technician that actually wants to work. We all know that right now one of the biggest problems that we've got is actually finding employees, and not only finding employees, but employees that actually want to work. It's probably one of the biggest problems that the carpet cleaning industry faces right now, is actually finding quality technicians that are prepared to show up every day and do a good job and stick around as well. If you've never heard of me before, if you're new to the channel, my name's John Williams and I'm the owner of a company called AGB, otherwise known as Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaners like you booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist advertising and marketing system. In the last 12 months, we've spent over $2 million advertising carpet cleaners, so we know exactly what works, we know exactly what converts. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners over the years and continue to do so to this day. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as possible, not just survive, but thrive. Whether that's through working with us one-on-one in our digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. Like I said, trying to find good quality employees, good quality technicians in this day and age is possibly one of the hardest things that you can do right now. And so I want to show you how you can post what's called a job post on Facebook for free to your community to actually try and find and filter out those good quality employees, those good quality technicians for your carpet cleaning business. And if you want to take it a step further, you can actually boost that post on Facebook and put $5-10 behind it and reach that higher audience as well. But there really is no better place to try and find those good quality technicians than Facebook, because when you put this job post up, anybody that's engaged with your business page is going to see it, so it could be past customers that might know somebody, friends, relatives, family, so on and so forth, and basically anybody that's engaged or liked with your page. And if you've been around for a while and you've got a good few likes and a good few followers, then there's every chance that these people are going to see this job post. There's always somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, right? And quite often, like, the best people, the best employees often come through people in your community, people that follow your business, people that you actually know, or whether that's past customers or otherwise, right? So it's a great place, it's a great platform to actually put together a job ad where you can collate resumes, CVs, filter out the good ones and kind of get them hooked in for an interview. And like I said, if you want to take it a step further, you can even put a few dollars behind it and it'll turn it into kind of an ad, and people all over your town or city will actually see it as well. Let's dive right into the training right now. As soon as you're ready to post this, as soon as you filled that in, you've added all the questions, you're going to get like a little preview here. Washington, you got the questions. You're going to see what it looks like. You're going to hit post, and it's going to post it on your Facebook page, but it's going to be posted in the jobs section of Facebook as well. So anybody that goes to that section will see it in there. But what you can also do is boosting may help more people discover and apply for your job. So with that tick in that box, after you publish your job, turn it into a Facebook ad and make it appear in more places, including the newsfeed. I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to post a job. I'm not looking for a carpet cleaning technician, but you're going to hit post here. Following on from that, you should be able to follow some step-by-step instructions to actually post, to actually boost this job post. Maybe put $5 a day behind it, something like that, and you should be able to then get even more responses as well. But if you want, you can just not do that. If you just want it to show on your Facebook page and in the job section of Facebook, you can just do that. And I guess if you've got a lot of likes on your Facebook page and stuff, then this job's probably going to appear on quite a few people's news feeds, and they might know someone who might be interested in the role, especially if it's a customer and they've used you before, so they know you and there's some level of like relationship, business relationship or otherwise, right? That is how to put a job post together on Facebook. It's a great thing for you to try. If you've never tried it before, it could be a great way for you to find that next technician, that really good person that's going to stay with you for a long time. You can put the job description together in there. You can put the area, you can put in the salary if you want, and you can put in a number of qualifying questions so that you're only getting, the best applicants. That's how you do it. Hope that makes sense. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to leverage Facebook job posts to find yourself a carpet cleaning technician for your carpet cleaning business. Hit the subscribe button to the channel so that you get notified when the next part of this training comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description where you'll find a link to our website. See you on the next one. Cheers.